Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning. It is Tuesday, Jan 7th. Looking at the daily frame here, guys, we got about 2 minutes to the open. It's 9:28, and looking at the Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow daily charts, you can see that we have an inside day on the Nasdaq, inside day on the S&P, inside day on the Dow. Marginal bullish body, really an indecision body here so far on the Nasdaq, bullish body on the S&P, and bullish body on the Dow. So a little bit wishy-washy here. Of course, yesterday was a very big range, or a good size range on the Nasdaq and the S&P. And Dow wasn't bad either. So expecting anything other than an inside day is really expecting a little bit more than we should expect. And that was a really messy sentence, but I'm going to keep it in. Why not? This is the two sisters, guys. 1-minute charts. Nasdaq, S&P, VWAP, volume weighted average price, 2 standard deviations near the upper band. As you can see, this all began, of course, way back here at 6 p.m. last night, New York time, and it's now almost 9:30 a.m. New York time, about to open here. This is my trading grid, guys. There's that daily I mentioned, marginal bullish body inside day. Looking like we want to push up here a little bit more. Who knows what's going to happen here today? And then we have the 30-minute and the 1-minute on the right-hand side. The 30-minute chart, guys, let's take a closer look at that. There's the Asian session. We pulled down into Asia, rallied back up again, back to that zone in the UK session, and now pushing up into a clean traffic area here, cleanish traffic from yesterday. That sell down that began in earnest at 11:30. I took that reversal trade, if you remember. It'll be the video beside this one on YouTube. And now looking like we're pushing up. Back to the two sisters here, guys. There's the 1-minute open range starting in 2 seconds. And there it is. It's beginning, rallying up, pulling back down, dropping back down, rallying back up. That's the way these things happen on the open, of course, especially on Twisted Tuesdays. Not sure if that's true, but I like to have my names: Manic Monday, Twisted Tuesdays, Wicked Wednesdays, Thirsty Thursdays, and of course Freaky Fridays, as many of you know. All right, there's the 1-minute open range. Why don't we take a look at the amplitude of that? That's only 22.5 points on the Nasdaq, fairly narrow, and 4 points on the S&P. So really not doing too much here right out of the gates so far. Let's see how we do from here. Back to the trading grid. I'll put you on pause, guys, and bring you back and let a few candles play out here before we dig into what's happening. And flipping back down here, guys. For now, what I'm going to do, guys, is just to adjust the zone marker up right there along those two bodies. You see that there? The pre-market candle and now the opening New York candle on the 30-minute. Not jumping on anything here. Temptation is to want to jump here, take shorts. Why not? Flipping body, right? Inside candle on the daily in a zone. See if this pulls back. It'd be nice to get a bit of a retest here of the open range. Oh, there it goes. So the daily candle is flipped. S&P also looking weaker. We are now below VWAP on the Nasdaq. So we got some noise here to the left. I'm going to see how prices react to that and to these zones here, and then make some decisions on that basis. Just kind of jumping around here a little bit. This is just a marker. I'm not doing anything here. And that would not be my entry, most likely. I'm just measuring some stuff here. We have now tagged the 21. Watching closely. Shift candle. Here we go, guys. Sell stop, guys. I might cancel this in a heartbeat. Just watching here. Order canceled, guys. Order canceled. Just gonna watch now. significant buying. This could be another one of these V reversals that we've seen so often of late. This is not live, guys. I'm just measuring here. Nothing live. Back to the open range. Massive tail on the 30-minute chart. Just measuring, guys. Just measuring. All right, sell stop order, guys. Sell stop right there. Sell stop. Tricky. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. This is a break and retest of the open range. Now this is very strong buying, guys. This could absolutely stop me out in the next few seconds, never mind minutes or hours. And but this is a break and retest. This is not a traditional T-con. I would not be selling this kind of strength. There's a big shift here unless we also had the open range on the side of shorts, right? But these two are looking awfully weak now. The fact that we've pulled back beyond the 21 and at the open range. All right, guys. Well, the fact that the 9 is now crossed above the 21 and we are rallying strongly here in this very strong shift candle leading into the news in 9 minutes is not boding well for this trade. This looks like it's going to end in a 1-hour chart. Just a routine business expense. It's not a big deal. It's all part of the game. Still alive, but this buying feels strong, like it wants to continue. A little bit of a rest here, but I think this buying might continue here. And there it is, guys. Took a little bit of patience, pulled all the way up here, and we finally got it. Thanks for being with me. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day, guys. We'll talk soon.